Good day guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Logitech M191 wireless mouse. Let us continue with our unboxing. I believe those are instructions on how to use the mouse.
Perfect!
Right there on the lid of the box when you open it. Okay, so we have some Logitech paperworks right here, and this is our actual Logitech M191 wireless mouse. Wow, okay. That is a beautiful design. Okay, so I believe this is where the battery is. So right there, protects the battery from being discharged while it's in the packaging. Let's peel this plastic off.
Perfect!
There. So this is a full-size wireless mouse right here from Logitech. So again, this is the M191 wireless mouse. And yeah, it has a size to it and a little bit of weight. I have fairly large hands, and as per Logitech, this is okay or optimized to be used for medium to large hands. So I think they were right about that. Well, apparently you can use the mouse wirelessly for 10 meters. And you won't feel any lag using it. And Logitech claims that you can go 18 months without changing the battery on this one. So that says 90 grams. So that's 90 grams with the battery included. Removing the battery comes down to only 67.1 grams. So without the battery, 67.1 grams. With the battery on, 90 grams. Okay, so below the mouse, here is the battery compartment right here. So there, to install a battery, you just have to slide it off, and you will see that there's the transmitter as well. That's the Nano transmitter for our Logitech mouse. So it has a compartment right there. There. And then do not forget to take out the transmitter so we can plug into our machine later, and just put the cover back on. Okay, so there's the on and off switch right there, and that's the sensor, this one. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliders at the bottom of the mouse. So aside from being lag free in terms of the wireless capability of our mouse, Logitech also claims that this one has precise tracking in terms of the scrolling on this button right here, the scroll button. So there should be effortless scrolling in terms of the usage of our wireless mouse. This one has an automatic power off feature, wherein the mouse will automatically power off, or maybe we can call it hibernate in a sense, when you are not using the mouse. So again, this is a plug and play mouse. So all we need to do is plug in this transmitter to our machine so we can use our Logitech M191 wireless mouse. Now we are going to test the responsiveness of our buttons right here. So I'm using a website named onlinemictest.com. So I'm now clicking the left button. That's the right button right there. Scroll down, scroll up, and click on the scroll wheel. Click on the left, on the right, scroll up, scroll down, and then scroll button. There you go. This one's really responsive and there's really no lag at all. Okay, now we can do our sound test. So there you go guys, with our unboxing and review of the Logitech M191 wireless mouse. It really is lag free in terms of the performance of the mouse. It's not that heavy and it's not that pricey as well. It feels good to the hands. It fits my hands exactly. So yeah, medium to large hands, you will not go wrong right there. And those buttons are really, those doesn't really feel cheap at all. And the responsiveness of the buttons I have shown you earlier. The only thing that you still have to test is the 18-month claim on the batteries. So that I will have to test for some time before I can report back to you if it does last that long. So there you go guys. I think this is a great budget mouse from Logitech. It's wireless, there's no tangly wires in there. So there you go. If you have any inquiries or comments about this Logitech mouse, please comment down below and we will try our best to respond to them. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell and choose all so that you'll get notified when we upload our videos in the future. So once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I'll see you guys on the next video.